The Milky Way nebula starts to form. First star. Living objects reach another star. First globular cluster. Our star. Planets form. Like the star, they have liquid metal at the surface. Larger planets are surrounded by gas. Planet Earth cools. Crust forms. Water condenses and falls to make the first Earth oceans, lakes, and rivers. Larger molecules form on Earth, like amino acids and sugars. Nucleic acids form on Earth. RNA links amino acids into the first proteins. A protein copies nucleic acid molecules. The first cell on Earth. DNA is surrounded by proteins. Cells make the first lipids on Earth. Cell response to light. Photosynthesis. Cells emit free oxygen. Multicellular prokaryotes. Aerobic cellular respiration. First aerobic cell. Cell uses oxygen. Oldest physical evidence for life. Ratio of carbon-13 to carbon-12. Oldest sediment. The banded iron formation begins. Oldest fossil evidence of life. Stromatolites. Oldest fossil of an organism. Gender and sex. Conjugation evolve in bacteria. The first virus. Cells can eat other cells. Eukaryotic cell. The first cell with a nucleus. The first protist. The nucleus may develop from the infolding of plasma membrane. Eukaryote sex evolves. First diploid cell, 2 sets of chromosomes. First zygote, increase in genetic variety. Eukaryote gender. Bacteria live on land. Oldest red beds, evidence of free oxygen in the air. A captured bacterium becomes a mitochondrion. End of banded iron formation. Homeobox genes regulate the building of major body parts. Colonialism evolves in eukaryote. Cyanobacteria become plastids in a eukaryotic cell. First plant. Multicellular eukaryotes. Differentiation in multicellular eukaryote, gamete and somatic cells. Start of death by aging. First fungi. Eukaryote eye, first three-dimensional response to light. Multicellularity evolves in a free-moving protist. This allows larger free-moving organisms to evolve. First animal and first metazoan, sponges. Male gonad. Animal cells group as tissues. First nerve cell, neuron, and nervous system. Earliest touch and sound detection and memory. Muscle cells. Ovary. Cnidarians, corals, jellyfish, earliest animal eye, bilateral species, two-sided symmetry, earliest brain, third embryonic layer, the mesoderm, intestine, cylindrical gut, anus, and throughput of food evolves in a bilaterian, genital pore, vagina, and uterus, penis, blood vessels and blood, protostomes, ancestor of all arthropods and mollusks, deuterostomes, ancestor of acornworm, starfish, and all chordates, first shell, or skeleton, earliest teeth, animals start to eat other animals. Chordates, ancestor of all tunicates, fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds. Tunicates, first fish. Segmentation, heart. Mollusks, arthropods, crustaceans, insects. Vertebrates, ancestor of most fish and all amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds. Non-vascular plants, liverworts, mosses. Plants live on land. Animals live on land. Arthropod millipedes. Jawed vertebrates, first vertebrate teeth. Vascular plants. Lung, first forests. First flying animal, arthropod insect. First tetrapods, organisms with 4 feet, the amphibians. First limbs, arms and legs, and fingers. Vertebrates live on land. First seed, hard-shell egg, the amniota, ancestor of reptiles, mammals, and birds. Start of vertebrate internal fertilization. Reptiles, warm-blooded hair-growing animal. Dinosaurs, mammals, first flying vertebrate, pterosaur. Birds evolve. First feather. First flowering plant, fruits, nuts, vegetables. Marsupials, first nipple and breast. Placental mammals, Afrotheres, Laurasia theres. Rodents, primates, opposable thumb. Primate loses tail. Chimpanzees, hominid ardipithecus, earliest bipedal primate.